Hi, my name is Maria Talgos and I'm the creator of Magical Sunset. We help travelers like you relive ancient tales of Greek gods and legends as you sail the Greek islands. Today, I want to share with you a family recipe, which is bulghur, and I'm going to make it in the oven with red sauce and meat. Bulghur being Bulgur wheat and meat, and the meat that I've chosen, and you can have any type of meat, but I like thick beef chunky meat, and I've used 2 pieces of rib, and it's roughly about 1 kilo in weight. Okay, so I'm going to just peel an onion. So dice your onion. And we put it in a baking dish. I should say that you'll notice there's quite a bit of fat on the meat, and I like my meat to have some fat because it gives the dish some body. We will, when we fry the onions a little bit, I will try and seal these and brown them. Olive oil. Okay, we're going to just brown the onions, and all I want is to brown the meat on the fat side. This. Good. Okay. 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. I like it to be very tomato, so if you wanted to add another one, like 3 tablespoons, it's up to you. Stir it. We put the lid on. Set it 180. So we've put in the oven, set at 180 degrees fan forced. We'll cook it for an hour, and then we'll come back and take the lid off and let it cook a little bit longer. You can actually put the bulgur in now, but I like to brown my meat. So we're going to put the dish back in the oven without the lid for about 15-20 minutes. So we want all the liquid to be soaked up, and it will be on the thickish side. So we'll pop it back in the oven for an extra 10 minutes, of which then I will check on it to see if it needs any extra water or any extra cooking. Oh, looks good. It doesn't look like it needs any water. I could probably leave it a little bit longer so it can soak up everything. Yep. Okay, it looks good. So we want it thick like this because we'll serve it with some yogurt. Well, I've made a start and it's really yummy. Orexi, and I hope to see you on one of our mythical sailing adventures real soon.